If I was given the opportunity to start my mini twist journey from the beginning, like I have never tried out mini twist on my hair, and this is the first time I'm trying out that style, these are the things that I would do differently. No matter who I choose. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. So I've been doing mini twists on my hair for the past 4 years. It's been purely a process of trial and error, from the products to the twisting techniques, but right now I believe I've gotten the hang of it. So these are the things I wish I knew doing mini twists on natural 4C hair for the first time. First thing, preparing your hair. It's advisable to start working on a clean scalp. Your hair needs to be well detangled to prevent any knots and further breakage. That's the first thing. Always ensure that your hair is well prepped before doing the hairstyle. The second thing is choosing the right product. Depending on what type of product you will decide to use, this will give you a different outcome. If you use a butter or a cream or a mousse, it will all give you a different outcome. So choose what is best for you depending on what result you want to achieve, and ensure that you're using a good moisturizer for the mini twist that will keep them hydrated. For those with low porosity hair, do not use any product that will weigh down your hair as well as cause buildup. The third thing, sectioning your hair. Especially if you have hair of thick density, it's better to work with portions. You can use hair ties or clips to hold your hair in place. When it comes to parting your hair for making each twist, it doesn't need to be a clean part. Just work with what you have. You'll go improving over time. It doesn't really matter. The fourth thing is the twisting technique. Everyone has a different twisting technique, and it depends on what you want your results to look like. Just ensure you maintain the same tension on all the twists to ensure that there is uniformity, as well as twist in the same direction for all your twists. If you choose to twist in an anti-clockwise direction, ensure that all the twists on your head are in anti-clockwise direction to ensure that your mini twists are uniform. The fifth thing is time commitment. They can be time consuming. Ensure you set aside enough time for you to be able to do the style. Take breaks when necessary. Watch a show as you're doing it. Don't forget to take water, all those things. It gets better with time. I remember when I started out doing my mini twists, it used to take me more than a day to do it because I used to get so tired. It's something new. It used to take so much time, but nowadays I feel like I'm getting better as days go by. It doesn't take that long to do my hair. 6. Protecting your ends. So the reason as to why mini twists are considered a protective hairstyle is because they get to protect our ends, and these are the oldest parts of our hair. Ensure that you're sealing the ends of each twist to prevent unraveling and maintain moisture. The seventh thing, maintaining your mini twist. Ensure that before you go to sleep, you have covered your hair with a scarf or a bonnet of silk material. This is to prevent any friction between your hair strands and your pillow, as well as your pillowcase should be made out of silk to ensure that no microorganisms are getting from your hair to your face as you sleep. Moisturizing your mini twist. You can use 2 methods to moisturize your hair. That can be the LOC or the LCO method. I'll link it in the description box if you haven't seen that video. That is a nice way of moisturizing your hair. So the 8th thing is scalp care. If your scalp is clean, you're going to promote healthy hair growth. If need be, you can wash your mini twists and then retwist them. You can also oil your hair using a light oil to maintain the moisture and keep the hair healthy. The 9th thing, longevity and styling options. So how long do mini twists last, and when is the right time to take them down? In terms of the longevity, it depends on an individual. For example, this is my hair after 2 weeks of putting in the mini twists, so you can imagine how it would look like when you get to a month. I can't stay with it for more than a month. I need to take them down because they get very untidy. It depends on you as an individual, how your hair will be looking like, how it makes you feel as an individual. The other thing was the styling options. There are very many ways in which you can style your mini twists. I previously did a video on how to style them. Feel free to check it out. Link will be in the description box. The styles are endless. The last thing, taking them down. I feel like this is the most important thing that I should have learned starting out my mini twist journey, because this is what will make or break the length of your hair. So one thing is patience. You need to be patient and gentle as you're taking down your mini twist. This is to avoid breakage. Once you take down your mini twist, you should properly detangle your hair before you get to wash it. So those are the 10 things I wish I knew starting out on my mini twist journey, and the last one was the most important for me, as that will make or break the length of your hair. Random hair fact of the week. There are 3 types of cleansing products: clarifying shampoos, moisturizing shampoos, and core washes. A clarifying shampoo is a deeper cleanser that uses surfactants, which are heavier soap-like ingredients that are used to remove buildup and residue from the scalp. A moisturizing shampoo is designed to add more moisture to the hair while cleansing it. And finally, a core wash. This is using a conditioner instead of a shampoo to cleanse your scalp. And that's the random fact of the week. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Foresee hair content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your favorite tip from today or any questions that you may have. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep rocking those beautiful curls. I don't want to be speaking to you. I want you to understand me. From the products to the twisting from the products to the preparing, and those of low porosity, What's going on? Mbona siwezi sema porosity? Nakata guys, nakata. Thick dense hair. No, there was a monkey here yesterday. Hey, what camera? Am I using this camera? Yeah, Ju. Am I using this one? I am. Okay, now I don't know where to look. I was confused between the 4 cameras. Anyway, so sleep in a silk pillowcase. And also have a silk pillow clip. Like, mbona una pillowcase ya silk? No matter who I choose.